Okay. That first one's from Mommy and Daddy.
Oh! Let's see what I got.
You see what it is?
See? Let me see.
It's chalk. All different colors.
I'll get a little
Can I open it?
Yeah, cool.
Cool?
I'll see it.
Eva, what'd you get?
Ball.
Butterman ball. All right, this one's from Mama and Pop Pop.
I think you're gonna like it.
Yeah. What's this? It's the movie thing.
The Minion.
It's Minion Yo-Yo. Wow, Minion Yo-Yo.
You like that one?
Oh.
You say thank you, Mama and Pop Pop.
Ethan, look at it. Talks too.
Yeah, you gotta push his little button.
How
Push it hard.
Okay, let you open hers.
All right, let's let Eva do hers.
Ethan,
Ethan, wait a second.
wait.
Okay.
Let Eva do one more.
Eva, I don't know what present you have. Okay, then we got this on open. Let's wait for I open this. You open that, okay? Look at you have. Wow, Eva.
Hold the paper.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Take it?
She picked it out. She better like it.
Okay. Wow, Eva.
Look on the other side. Look. It's to do her hair. Look.
Wow.
Has hairbrush and hair dryer.
You
Ethan. Okay, your turn. This one's from Mommy and Daddy.
No, I don't want this one for you guys. Oh, let me see. It's something new. See? Let me.
Okay, you'll give it to Daddy. He'll open it.
Woo!
Is that cool?
Yeah. It comes with one thing, 2 cards. And 2 cards. Eight pen. Yes, a heavy card and watch out for cards.
That looks like cool. You can check it out.
Let's see. Airplane.
Yeah, with cards. There's 2 cards.
Cool. Are your cards in there?
Yeah.
Ethan, you like your birthday presents?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My first place is
Yeah.